And there you have it. Your healthy and nutritious wrap is all ready. Subscribe to Madhura's Recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. Hello friends, I am Madhura. Welcome to MadhurasRecipe.com. Today I am making very healthy and nutritious wrap. It is loaded with lots of vegetables and it's rich in protein. So here's what you need for this recipe. We need 2 eggs. Now if you do not eat eggs, you can always substitute that using some crumbled paneer, that is homemade cottage cheese. Then in veggies I have some yellow pepper, sliced yellow pepper. This is about 1/4 cup of yellow pepper, 1/4 cup of red pepper, that is red capsicum. We need half cup of corn, so this is boiled corn that I am using here. We need 1 onion sliced, a tablespoon of green pepper or capsicum, half teaspoon of garlic paste. You can use garlic powder instead of using this fresh garlic. In spices, I have half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, some crushed black pepper. We also need some salt to taste. In sauces, we have some mayonnaise and a teaspoon of red chili sauce. Apart from this, we need some tortillas. So for today's wrap, I am using some homemade chapati because that's everyday available at my home. You can always substitute chapati using some spinach tortilla or multigrain tortilla, whole wheat tortilla, whatever is available at your home. Or even you can use some multigrain bread or multigrain loaf bread, whole wheat bread. And we need some olive oil. So first thing first, we are going to saute some veggies. So goes in just about a teaspoon of olive oil, and you can very well use butter or any type of oil in place of this olive oil. And we'll go ahead and throw in all my veggies in this oil. Goes in onion, green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper, corn and some garlic. Now let's mix this in and cook this everything together for just about 2 to 3 minutes. We don't want to lose the crunch of these fresh veggies. So here veggies are cooked over medium heat for just about 2 minutes. Now in this we'll go ahead and add in red chili powder and roasted cumin powder plus some salt to taste. Mix that in. Perfect. Now here vegetables have got this awesome coating of this dry spices. Very simple yet flavorful. Now turn off the heat and our veggie filling is all ready. So here I have removed all these sauteed veggies into separate bowl. Now in the same pan I am going to add additional teaspoon of olive oil, and as I said before, you can also use butter. Start the heat. I haven't washed this pan because it still have this coating of this nice dry spices, and we want this flavor and masala to be in our scrambled eggs. And now in this hot oil I'm going to break in 2 eggs. Just go ahead and quickly mix this in. And if you do not eat egg, you can use crumbled paneer or grated paneer in place of eggs to get that wow protein factor in your wrap. Now this is almost done. Now goes in some salt, crushed black pepper and some chili flakes, that is optional. Quickly mix that in. And your scramble is ready to go in the wrap. Now that our veggies are ready, egg scramble is ready. Now let's go ahead and make in some nice sauce that goes really well with this wrap. So take in some mayonnaise, in that goes in some chili sauce, and give this a quick mix. Now, if you don't like the thing spicy, you can substitute this chili sauce using some tomato sauce or tomato ketchup. Now everything is ready. Now let's see how to assemble this wrap. So first I will take this teaspoon of a teaspoon of this sauce and spread this all over this chapati. So here I am using this homemade whole wheat chapati, and as I mentioned before, you can very well use tortillas, store-bought tortillas. And then top this up with some vegetables. And then goes in this scrambled eggs. Awesome. And quickly fold this over. And there you have it. Your healthy and nutritious wrap is all ready. You can cook these vegetables in a big batch and store them into freezer. Whenever you want to have wrap, just thaw them at room temperature and reheat in the microwave, and there you go. You have this perfectly healthy and nutritious wrap ready in no time. So if you like this today's recipe, hit the like button. Also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.